In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste charts from Google Forms. This process is simple and straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate your Google Forms data into other documents, perfect for sharing impactful insights in your reports or presentations. Let's kick things off by opening Google Drive. Simply navigate to your Google Drive homepage from your browser. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, it's important that we focus on the collection of tools Google has to offer, accessible through the Apps menu. In the upper right corner, locate the square grid icon. Clicking this will drop down a menu of different Google applications. Next, from the drop down list, select Forms. Google Forms is where you collect all the data that your respondents have input. Once here, browse through your list of forms and choose the one you want to work with today. It should contain the data and responses that you have gathered so far. With your selected form open, direct your attention to the top part of the screen where you'll see a couple of tabs. Click on the Responses tab. This is your gateway to all the responses submitted for this form, and importantly for us, where the charts are located. As you scroll down, you'll observe a variety of charts that represent the data collected. Take your time to find the chart that you wish to copy. These charts are quite handy because they translate raw data into visual formats that are easy to read and interpret. Upon identifying the desired chart, you'll notice a small convenient icon enabling you to copy it. Click on this copy chart option, and just like that, your chart is ready to be pasted elsewhere. Now let's move over to Google Docs, open a new blank document to provide a clean slate for our chart. Within this interface, you can directly paste your chart. To do this, right-click on an empty spot in the document, and you'll see the option to paste. If you're using a shortcut, Command+V for Mac or Control+V for Windows will do the trick too. Once pasted, you have a chart from your Google Forms easily integrated into your Google document. This allows you to include visual data representations in your reports or any document you wish to share with others efficiently. Remember, combining these tools can elevate your work, making information more accessible and engaging. So there you have it, a simple way to copy and paste charts from Google Forms to Google Docs, enhancing how you share and present data. Thanks for watching, and be sure to try this out for easier data handling and more professional looking documents.